Hello friends, welcome to Drama Espresso channel. Here are our top 10 Japanese romantic movies of all time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Number 10 on our list is How Haru Ride. Futuba Fushika liked Ko Tanaka in high school, who was different from other boys and quite gentle. Ko Tanaka then moved away and they lost contact. Coincidentally, she meets Ko Tanaka again at the end of the year. His name has changed to Ko Mabuchi and his personality seems different from his middle school days. Will Futuba be able to find out whether Ko is the same guy and will they find their old friendship and love? Watch this movie. Number 9 on our list is Closest to Heaven. Ninon Okumura is a high school student and walks around with a parrot on her shoulder. She doesn't have any friends at school. Yuji Ikira is her classmate who dates many girls. But he is terminally ill and has only a year to live. As they stay next to each other, she gets to know from his parents about his sickness. Yuchikira tells Ninon that he doesn't want to die and he doesn't want to be alone. She tries to support and care for him till he dies. Watch this sweet romance which will surely make you cry. Number 8 on our list is Kiss Me at the Stroke of Midnight. Hinana is a high school student with good grades. She seems to be not interested in love, but actually she dreams of having romance with a handsome man. One day, top star Kado comes to Hinana's high school to shoot for a film. However, she finds out that he stares at girls' butts. She also takes part in the film and falls for his caring side, and he starts falling for her honest personality. However, Akira is her childhood friend and discloses that he likes her. In this love triangle, who will Hinana choose between Kide and Akira? Watch this movie. Number 7 on our list is Kyoko wo Mimasu, Love for Beginners. Tsubaki Hibino is a young teenage girl who is talented hair art stylist, but she has so low self-esteem and is simple in her dressing style. She gets teased due to old-fashioned way of dressing up. Kyoto Tsubaki is a popular playboy in the school and targets Tsubaki as mischief. But she starts falling for him. However, he has commitment issues. Will love bloom between these two, or will Tsubaki end up being single and talented? Watch out! Number 6 on our list is Koizora. This is a movie where two young lovers fight through many hardships to remain together. High school student Mika meets Haro, a rebellious young man with white hair during school break. Mika then loses her cell phone but later finds a cell phone with all her contacts deleted. Then a mysterious person calls her daily and she gets interested in him. The person on the other end of the phone asks to meet Mika in person. Mika is shocked to learn that it is Hira. She then becomes closer to you, however, she gets to know that the hero is having a secret within him. Watch this movie for it promises to make you cry and live with sweet memories forever. Watch this movie. Number 5 on our list is Cow Cow debut, high school debut. Haruna Nagashima excels in softball while in middle school. In high school, she desperately longs for a boyfriend but has a tough time in finding one out. She is not fashionable and doesn't know how to converse with a boy. Haruna meets a popular senior guru Komiyama. She asks him to teach her how to get a boyfriend. He agrees to teach her only on one condition that she shouldn't fall for him. However, eventually she falls for him. Will you accept Haruna as she is, or will her love end up being one sided? Watch this movie to find out. Number 4 on our list is LDK. Aoi Nishimori's parents has moved to another city for work purpose, but Aoi didn't want to transfer to a new high school, so she stays in an apartment by herself. Shuji Kogiyama lives next to Aoi's apartment. He is very popular student at their high school. Accidentally, Ari makes the sprinkler go off in his room and he stays with Ari temporarily till his room is fixed. If you're looking for a teen romantic movie, then you should definitely watch this one, for it promises to not let you down. Number 3 on our list is Kinko Rene, Close Range Love. Yuni Kururugi is a smart high school student. She excels in all subjects except for English. A new English teacher, Haruka Sakurai, who is very handsome, teaches her English on one-to-one basis. She starts having feelings for him and confesses to him eventually. In this forbidden relationship, will love bloom in the end? Watch this movie to find out. Number 2 on our list is Daytime Shooting Star. Suzume Yasuno is a high school student who lives with her uncle in Tokyo as her parents have transferred overseas. Suzume has never had a boyfriend before, but she has feelings for her homeroom teacher Sasuke Shuzio as he had helped her previously. Her classmate Daiki Mamura also starts having feelings for Suzume. In this love triangle, who will Suzume choose, Daiki or Sasuke? Watch this movie to find out. Number 1 on our list is Kimi ni Toroke, From Me to You. A girl that resembles Sadako in the movie Ring is being feared by her classmates. She is rumored to be cursed if she looks at you, so she is avoided by her classmates. Her name is Sawako Kurunoma and she is a really nice girl. While everyone is avoiding her, Shota Kazaya supports her. Friendship blossoms between her and two classmates. Shota loves Sawako. Will love bloom between them? Watch this teen romantic movie and you won't be disappointed as it features true friendship, love, and caring relationships. Some of the honorable mentions include Sukite Inio, Say I Love You. A gloomy girl named Mi injures the most popular male student named Yamato. Somehow Yamato likes me and one day Yamato saves me from a stalker by kissing her. From that kiss their love story begins. Watch this movie to find out. And next on our list is Sensei, Is It Okay to Love? Kosaku Ito teaches history at a high school. Hibiki Shimada is a student and she has a crush on Kosaku. She is honest with Kosaku and reveals about her feelings for him. Will love bloom in the relationship or will it be one-sided love only? Watch this movie to find out. Thank you for watching Drama Expresso. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.